Hey guys, and welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get Amazon promo codes in 3 different ways. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Groupon.com. Then, search for Amazon. And you'll see a bunch of promo codes right here. These codes are updated for November 2025, and some of them can give you up to 80% off. The second way is by visiting Couponfollow.com. Search for Amazon again, and as you can see, all the latest promo codes will appear. If you want to use one, just click on See Coupon or Show Coupon Code. Now, the third way is by going to Grabon.com. Just like before, search for Amazon in the search bar, and you'll find a list of promo codes. Click on Get Deal, copy the code, and you're ready to use it. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.